I am Naila Bhatti and you are watching Saiban News HD. Now we add news from Sialkot. As per ISPR Chief of the Army Staff, General Syed Asim Munir Nishani military visited troops participating in a field training exercise near Narwal and Sialkot. He was given a comprehensive brief on the objectives and conduct of the exercise, which aimed to refine professional skills and battlefield procedures essential for addressing emerging operational challenges. During the exercise, integrated fire, the maneuver operations were conducted by various elements, including armored infantry, mechanized infantry, artillery, air defense, army aviation, and anti-tank guided missile units. The exercise also demonstrated the effective employment of electronic warfare capabilities and information operations designed to disrupt enemy communication and counter disinformation strategies in a modern battlefield environment. Chief of Army Staff spent the day in the field alongside the troops, commending their training standards, operational readiness, and high state of morale. In his interactions with the participants, he emphasized the critical importance of maintaining constant preparedness to counter any potential threats posed by adversaries. The Pakistan Armed Forces, with the resolute support of the nation, are fully capable of safeguarding the territorial integrity and sovereignty of our beloved motherland against the entire spectrum of threats. The Chief of Army Staff affirmed earlier upon his arrival at the exercise area. Chief of the Army Staff was welcomed by the Commander Gujranwala Corps and the Inspector General of Training and Evaluation.